Okay, so hello. Today we're gonna change spark plugs in BMW M2 N55 engine. So first thing what we should do is to remove engine cover. Do it slowly. Yes. Okay. So some people say this is not the real M engine because it's powered by M. This is not the S55 like some people say, but I like it. I like the sound better. You have to spend a lot of money for exhaust to make it sound good, but okay, this is not the subject today. So you have to put it somewhere. Okay, so this is that's gonna be quite hard to take all of that. Insulation, I think we're gonna have to remove that first. That's what I've seen. Okay, so to remove this part, this cover, you have to use 10mm tool. Okay, 10mm socket. Okay. Got 3 on that side. Nice. One clip over here. I'm gonna put it here. We've got 10mm in here. One clip in here, same on the other side, but first we can remove this part. So we've got, have to remove it here. Okay, so to remove this one I use two like this. Hope it will help. Oh, it's not so easy. Okay. So now we have to remove the rubber seal, but careful, there are some lines. I don't know, maybe for alternator or whatever. You have to be careful with that. So do it slowly. And always use gloves because all that is very dirty. So I always trying to use gloves. Okay, I got it. Put it aside. Now I have to remove that insulation part. Well, still not easy. Not sure we're gonna have to remove that part as well, or the strut bar. We'll see. Okay, I'll remove that. Oh, we've got another one in here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to remove the strut bar because it's not gonna be that easy. Take that out. And remember to do a warm-up before taking spark plugs, because what I heard is gonna come out easier than cold one, so we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna have to remove the strut bar, otherwise we won't replace the last spark plug. So let's do it. So I use come on, 80mm reverse Torx, that's what we call it. Okay. The extension, the bracket. Put a bolt somewhere. Cool. Put it in the place I do it, so I know where they are. Okay, so now harder part. I need a screwdriver. We have to remove these caps. Oh, I was in touch for years. Oh, come on, stop. Don't go anywhere. Okay, got them. And this, oh my, different one. So I'm gonna have to find out which one is it. Looks like 17mm socket. Yep, we'll see. It works. That'll be great. Looks like that. Ooh. Okay. So hot to warm up. Them. Now we're gonna remove the strut bar. That's how it looks. Nothing special. Come on, nothing dirty. With the sides. And now I'm gonna have to remove that piece of plastic as well. Jesus, everything is covered. It's worse than E92. Okay, so we've got screws, bolts, we'll see. That's 10mm again. Okay, that's gonna be harder. Okay, on the other side. So we've got this piece of plastic and the insulation rubber removes. So we've got clear access to the spark plugs now. Very nice. Okay, now we have to remove this part. The coils first, so we have to unplug it like this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unplug it one, change the spark plug and put it back, or I'm gonna remove all of them, but I prefer to do it one by one. The worst part, it will be to remove this one, this bracket, and then try to move it somewhere, or somehow, because it's not gonna be that easy. The last two bolts will be the worst one, I think. Okay, so remove it first and then unplug it. Just be careful because everything in BMW is so fragile sometimes. I don't want to break it. Okay. Do it like that. Not helping me. Come on. How to remove this? So this is a special tool which is moving for better angles, because the spark plugs are fitted like this, so it's easier. And it's number 14 with the grid magnet, so it's holding the spark plugs, something like this. It's very cheap. I think I bought it for about €4, so plus the extension, and I needed 3. Yeah. Oh my god. To enable wherever it is, so plus the special tool for tightening, because where is it? The tightening torque is 23 Newton meters, and it must be like this, otherwise next time it's gonna stop. So just do it properly. Okay, so my battery unfortunately in the phone died, so I couldn't finish the video, but it was quite easy to reinstall the spark plugs, and that's what I bought. This is the original BMW spark plugs, and they have been replaced, so I'm gonna show you how the older one looks. It looks okay, but not sure what the mileage is on it, but it looks quite old, maybe 40,000 miles, not sure. Jesus, come on, this is the iPhone. Yeah, Yeah, it was time to replace it. It's better now. So just replace it after maybe 40,000 miles maximum. So I'm gonna show you which tool I use. So